Hello, I am Harsharan. In this class, you will learn about between and among. These are prepositions in English language used to compare or relate two or more things. First, we will talk about them separately and then compare them. Between is used when two things are involved. For example, his car is between bus and van. Here, two things are bus and van. Another example, she stood between her father and brother for a photograph. Sometimes, between is used with more than two things, which are separate and distinct. Example, he had to choose between pizza, burger, and noodles for his dinner. Here, pizza, burger, and noodles are clearly separate and different. Second example, conflicts between Cheryl, Sana, and Ina are increasing day by day. Between is also used with things in the middle of something or in the space restricted by something. Example, she is driving between the cars on highway. It's clear that she must be driving between two rows of cars. Second example, he walked between the trees. Here you can very well imagine trees on his two sides. Another use of between. It is used to connect times or numbers. Examples, you can meet me between 2 p.m. and 5 p.m. They were in New Zealand between 2015 and 2020. Between is used after the words difference, link, relationship, connection, differentiate. Some examples are, there is some connection between these killings. What is the difference between a noun and a verb? Differentiate between a river and a lake. Next comes among. It is used when three or more things are involved which are not distinct and are viewed as a group. Examples, he distributed chocolates among his 10 friends. His name is among the 5 toppers of the class. Among is used to give the idea of being in a group or in the midst of a group. It suggests a sense of being a part of or surrounded by or included in something else. Examples, the little girl is running among a group of ducks. She feels comfortable when she is among her friends. Here the term friends doesn't portray separate or distinct things. It portrays a group. Next example, among his collection of coins, we found some ancient English coins. Here also, collection of coins is a group. Sometimes, among means in addition to. You can see this in these examples. Among other things, we talked about the latest fashion trends. Among others, Jia and Rima spotted me in the conference. Let's review between and among in this comparison. Between is used when two things are involved, whereas among is used where three or more than three things are involved. Between can be used with more than two distinct things. Among is used with more than two things which are not distinct and are viewed as a group. Between is used with things in the middle of something. Among is used to give the idea of being in a group. Between is used after words difference, link, relationship, connection, differentiate. Among is used as in addition to. Look at these sentences to make the difference clear between and among. Number 1. I like green dress between red, blue and green dresses. I like green dress among all the dresses. In the first sentence, red, blue and green dresses are clearly separate, so between is used. In the second sentence, all the dresses is a group, so we have used among. Number 2, discussions between Rahul, Ajay and Arman were fruitful. Discussions among the students were fruitful. Here, students is a group and is inseparable, so among is used here. Number 3, my pen fell between the books. My pen fell among the books. In the first sentence, between the books gives an idea that there are two books. In the second sentence, among the books conveys the idea that pen fell somewhere in the midst of a pile of books. Practice exercise. You have to fill in the blanks with between or among. Number 1. Distribute the candies dash these 15 children. Here, 15 children is viewed as a group, so we'll put among here. Distribute the candies among these 15 children. Number 4. Write the differences dash herbs and shrubs. Here herbs and shrubs are two things. Moreover, after difference we add the word between. So, write the differences between herbs and shrubs. Fill in the remaining blanks and then match your answers with the answers given here. You must have enjoyed the lesson. If so, do like and subscribe. We'll meet soon with a new lesson. Keep learning English. Bye.